back to our channel! So today in this video, we are going to make another tutorial of a Barbie fun and fresh food truck! Oh no! Okay, so this is a Barbie food truck and it's called Fresh and Fun because there's a lot of fresh and food and drinks and it's fun to play with!
Yay!
We are going to open it right now!
Yeah!
Let's do it now. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Because this fun and fresh food truck doesn't include the Barbie doll, that's why we have our Barbie. And we're going to show you. We're going to open it and show you later. Bye bye box. There you go.
Like a green bowl, right?
Yeah, like a green bowl.
Oh wait, I see
There's a burger.
something.
And look at these! It's
Shall we
so
open
cute! 30 plus pieces. This one. See that? Oh, upside down.
Shall we?
So cute!
Shall we?
We shall. So let's open it. How do we open this?
See?
There's like
There's
some instruction in the box. Okay.
This one, but you can't take it off. It's not squishy.
Oh look! You just need to open this. There's like a key here. And you need to open it like
I
that.
never opened this.
Oh yeah. There you go. Oh, there's more
There's
stuff
blind
inside.
bags! Oh no.
But it's not a mystery blind bag, so.
Wait. Oh wow!
Oh wow! Yeah, that's nice. Wait,
Yeah.
there's still a toy here for Faye. There. See? We're going to put it. Ah, there you go.
Look, that's
Look at that.
table, guys. I didn't know that. I thought it was something.
I thought it was shelf.
Yeah, me too.
There.
Maybe you can open this too.
Yeah, it can be opened.
Ooh.
There you go. And there's a table for the cafeteria.
And also there's a driving spot for the chair here if you don't know. Ah!
Yes. Okay, so now we are going to open this one first.
Oh, it's like when you get the Barbie in and then you put it
Yeah.
inside.
Okay, so we're going to be opening this, okay?
How about you open that and I open this?
Oh yeah, sure, sure.
Oh, it's really
I just like a tape or something here.
Yeah.
Can you open it?
Oh, there you go.
Okay.
Oh, just
Okay, show yours first.
wait. The glue is still sticking here. Woo! Ah.
What do you have?
Ah.
Oh yeah, this is the green bowl part. You see? This green bowl.
Oh my god!
And when you open it, it's like a salad thingy.
So, yeah. It's on to me.
Okay.
So, I got this burger that's in the bag so I can make that.
Not eat it for real. It's so cute. Why is it so small? Why is it so small?
It's for 90. And this is like a hot dog, have the same thing as the white part I did.
Where I want to see. Oh yeah, it's a hot dog. Is it a hot dog? Or a taco?
It's a hot dog, not a taco.
Okay.
Taco! Taco!
Taco.
I wanna open this.
Oh no! What happened?
So this, oh look. Oh, you can open this.
A juicer?
Yeah, so you can open the cap for real.
Yeah, and Faye just opened this part. So, there. This is like the juicer. Where's the clicker? There you go. For mixing some juice.
And this is what I tell you before, so you can't get it off.
A French fries.
If you still try it, it will be good. So don't do that.
Yeah. French. Is it French fries? I think it's French fries.
Wait, what?
It's a French fries, right? What happened?
It pops out.
What is that?
A banana.
A banana.
It's
Show
a
me there.
banana.
A banana for a monkey. Maybe a monkey wanna eat it.
It's like so yellow and it's like connected, so you can.
Open.
Yeah.
Piece by piece.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna start opening this and you show
Okay.
that to the kids, okay?
And also, I have 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A cute little apple. Wait! We already have another apple and this apple. We have more, 2 apples.
Yeah, we already have a toy apple for Barbie. So, here's more. Oh no, I stick my own finger.
I really like this juicer because it's really realistic.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't know there was a fruit salad.
You know,
There's
this
no
one.
salad on it. Wait, there's cucumber.
Why is it so
Oh,
hard?
it's still popping out.
So this is like a mustard, a yellow mustard, of course. So small.
Can I rest of it show?
Sure, sure.
If you just help me.
Yes. Oh no.
Oh.
No, this one first.
Okay.
It's like pineapple juice. There's the pineapple juice.
Oh.
A pineapple
This is like lemon juice.
lemonade.
Yeah, lemonade. Oh yeah, lemonade. How did I forget?
And what is a pink bottle?
Coca-Cola. It's Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola? What in the world is Coca-Cola? You just take it with your finger.
Oh.
Won't help.
Yeah. I want the chocolate.
Oh, you want the chocolate ice cream first? The chocolate ice cream.
And this is so realistic, guys. Look at this. The chocolate one looks so good.
Okay, so we are going to be opening this now.
Oh.
Over here.
Really?
There. Ta-da! There's like
I had to
a
see.
table thingy, it's a yellow table.
I had to see.
And this is I cover face. And this is like the kitchen thing.
And this is this is when you
Oh.
So it's like from like meat like what is it called? This one.
Oh yeah, it's you can see this yellow thing, and if you turn it, it's going to be a raw meat and a cooked meat. Raw cooked.
Okay.
And this
also
is-
you can't take it off. See?
Yeah, you cannot take it off.
Yeah.
And this is for the grilling stuff, so you put this one right beside the sink.
Are you sure that's not a stick?
There. And this is the sink. This is the sink.
Oh.
Yeah, so that is the kitchen. And there's like a cabinet
Wait.
over here.
You forgot to show the kids the real life fridge.
There's a fridge here, guys.
I can open and close.
Yes, open and close. The door color blue.
It's so clear.
Yes. And
Well, if we have real Elsa, we can show Elsa this is blue. 'Cause blue is her favorite already.
over here they have a seat belt. And
What?
this is like the steer thingy. So you can steer, of course. And this is the yellow table for making some food. And yeah, that's it. Also the roof.
Hi guys, can you see me in the window?
Can you see her in the window? And we have one more blind bag to open.
Can I open it, please?
Yeah, go ahead. Wait, do you need a scissor?
No.
Oh, you can do it. Here, give it to me. The tape. And we're going to stick on the stickers later.
After we open all of this together.
Okay, guys. So we are already stick all the stickers, and now we're going to show you around. So we.
It's from French, okay? Yes. It's from...
Okay, so over here is like the tray we already
Can I
filled.
show the other one?
Yeah, sure. What's inside it?
So we have this brown tray that have lemon, what is it called again?
Lemonade.
Lemonade and yellow French fries and also the hot dog with the bowl on it. You see?
Okay, so over here, another tray, I got a burger in the bowl. Why is the burger in the bowl? And a pink juice, also orange French fries, and this extra cheese French fries.
With extra
Yeah.
cheese.
And so over here, we can see it's gonna like that.
It's
It's
like
gonna move.
See in the window is there's like this thing that can move.
Yeah.
So when Barbie pushes it with the fingers, like.
Let's go.
Oh, it flipped.
Flip. And there's the mustard, the sauce.
Excuse me, what?
And this is the cashier register. There.
That
They already
is-
put sticker.
Where can I see?
Yeah, sure.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
So yeah, that is also the mineral water, the what is this called? Oh, pineapple juice, a banana, and the apple in the table. Maybe for free.
Oh, we need to pay $355.
Yeah. And in the kitchen we go. Ta-da!
The train.
Yeah. How about like this? There you go. There. So over here we got a spatula. And what is this called? Like for grilling stuffs. We put it right there. And yes, you know this part for grilling.
This part also.
Uh-huh.
You didn't put stickers.
Yes, and on top of here we already put all the stickers. Just like that. And inside the fridge also. So yeah.
What? Really?
Uh-huh. No, the stuffs inside the fridge. Like ice cream and some salad.
I didn't see it.
Yeah.
And also, do you see the stickers? See?
Yeah.
I see stand.
Now, since this is done, you know what this means? We're going to open. Dun 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 dun!
Dun, 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 dun.
Barbie! We're going to open the Barbie! Yes! Okay, let's open it now.
Toxic water.
What do you mean that's for? A Barbie. A Barbie. Hear that, guys? A Barbie.
Okay, I think they say that. Million
A
times.
Barbie.
Okay. You said that like
Like what?
7 times.
Or maybe more. Okay, there you
5
go.
times.
There you go.
Oh!
It's empty. Let me open it.
Has to be
Maybe I
scissors.
just chop it with scissors, yeah.
Just BAH! Like that.
There you go. It's open.
Can I open it?
Sure. Together. Opening a Barbie. Hey Barbie, we're coming you out.
Get it. Let me hold it.
Okay.
Look at that, guys. Oh, look at her shape.
Yeah, it's exactly like in Barbie Dream House
It's
Adventure.
really big.
Really? What? It's a teenager, okay?
But it's big.
There, the clothes. If you know Barbie Dream House Adventure, you literally know what is this outfits and more stuff. And you wanna open the hair? Yeah?
Yeah.
Right. Open the hair.
Let her free.
There you go.
I opened Daisy's hair.
Yeah, you open this hair.
I didn't look.
Oh, there you go.
That when I look at her, doesn't look that comfortable.
Yeah. Okay, so for you guys that didn't watch Barbie Dream House Adventure yet,
The tutorial of her stuff that she wears.
yeah, that's what I'm going to do actually.
Let's just do it.
So if you don't know Barbie Dream House Adventure, we're going to tell you the outfit. So it's a blonde, beautiful hair, and what outfit it
A
is?
blue dress.
The dress and a white, pink. What is it called? I almost say seat belt. A belt.
Yes, that's a belt.
I almost say seat belt.
See belt.
Yeah.
And also a pink stripe and a white shoes.
Yes. A white with a pink striped shoes.
And what her color? No.
Skin. It's white, of course. Crime. Okay, so that is our food truck and Barbie. We really
Can
hope
we
you.
play it together?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so we really hope you enjoying watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you later, guys. Bye.
Wait, Barbie say
Oh,
bye
no.
too.
Okay, before you leave the video, please follow TikTok, which is lifya J. Okay, bye.